Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. Here at Drinkstuff, we're all about giving you drinks and cocktail inspiration to help you make and drink better cocktails at home and in your pubs and bars. As I say, a lot of that is to do with me giving you inspiration around sugar syrups and purees and things like that, what you can make, but also a lot of that has got to do with techniques and helping you to actually physically make the drinks. So in this video, it's kind of a follow-up to a video I did a couple of months ago about the different types of cocktail shakers. I'm just going to break down the question I get a lot, especially on when I personally do cocktail masterclasses and all that, is actually how do we use a cocktail shaker? How do we do it properly? There's a couple of things coming up here. Openly and honestly, I don't actually own a three-piece cobbler shaker. I never used them. I haven't used one in 10, 12 years, probably longer. I don't like them. And so I covered all that in that previous video. I'm going to show you how to use a Boston shaker, though, a two-piece Boston shaker. I've got a couple of different things here. When I do videos, I'm always, as I say, I always use glass so people can see, you guys can see what I'm putting on there. But glass doesn't actually create that vacuum, that seal, as well as tin on tin does. So here's a couple of things. How to use a Boston shaker. We always make the cocktail in either the glass or the smaller part of the tin. It's just what we do, okay? So we've got traditionally 16 ounces. We'd make the cocktail in there. We'd fill it up with ice, as I would do. There we go. And then the tin. This is how I teach, okay? It's probably might be easier to do this in the glass, actually, so you can see it better. Here's how I teach. The tin always goes on at a slight angle. Okay, so always put it on at a slight angle so you've got a straight edge down one side. That's how I always teach people, okay? So you pick it up, give it a twat, and give it a hit, and then you've kind of got, you've created that vacuum. It won't come off, all right? Now, turn it upside down, and you kind of always want the smaller end towards you as well, because when you are shaking, and I'm going to cover shaking in a separate video, but when you are shaking, if it does come to bits, which it won't, but if it does, the force of you is pushing the glass back into the tin, so it won't come to bits, especially won't come to bits over your customers. If it does come out, it'll come out on the backwards and it'll come out over you. So that's kind of why we do that. Now, the whole reason why I say put it on at an angle like that, the simple way to get these to bits, even tin on tin will create more of a vacuum because it's metal, okay? Metal will conduct heat better than, or cold better than glass, so it creates more of a vacuum, but it will still work exactly the same way, okay? To get these apart, look at the angle of the glass and you just follow it out, just simply, okay? I have to go that way, but mine will just come out with my fingers. I've been doing this so long, my fingers can actually just pop that out, and everyone should be able to do it. It's not a drama. So, again, slight angle, never try and twist it, because even now, you will literally be there till next Christmas if you try and twist it and try and turn it out like that. Never pull it out that way as well, because again, I can't even do it that way, but you kind of won't go again there. You'll just literally, the best way to do it is like 3 fingers there, your thumb and forefinger around there, and it'll just literally pull out like that. Like, I can't twist it. I physically can't get that out, but thumb and forefinger there we go, it's out. So that is how you use a cocktail shaker. You can, if it's really, really stuck, again, don't hit the bar. There's no need to do that. Just give it a little tap down there where the seal is, just a little tap like that. That'll kind of loosen it and break it. Same with tin on tin, okay? That'll just pop out quite easily. A bit more force would needed tin on tin, but if it does get stuck, just kind of there where they meet, where the joint is, and that will just pop out. So that is how you use a Boston shaker. If you have got a 3-piece cobbler shaker and they are stuck, good luck to you. That is why I don't use them. They have got a habit of getting stuck, especially the cheaper ones, because they haven't got like ridges in them to make the seals, so you can easily break the seal on them. They're just kind of, they just kind of fit in there, and they're just so cold you really, really get stuck. So that's how to use a Boston shaker. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a big old thumbs up. That'll help us to reach more people as well. And if you like this video, if you like us, make sure you like the video, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video. That's it from me. I will see you in the next video.